YouTube? For today, as promised, we will be going out with our newest baby. I'm referring to our GoPro Hero 7 Black. We will try cycling and running. So before we go outside, before we start, I'm gonna show you my settings, the settings I use. So for the resolution, I'm using the 2.7K with 60 frames per second. And for the field of view, I use the super view because we'll be going outside. I'll be mounting this on my bike, so at least you can see the full shot of the surroundings. And then for the low light, I just set it to auto, the stabilization also auto, and I on the Pro Tune. The Pro Tune I use for the shutter auto only, the white balance is auto, and for the ISO I use 100 and max of 1600. For the sharpness I use the medium, color GoPro, and then the mics auto only. So much of the settings. Come on, let's try this out. Let's go! Okay guys, so we're here already outside. So I'm using the GoPro Hero 7. So this is the audio sounds like. So now I'm going to mount this baby in this bike mount. So I also bought the GoPro bike mount. Okay, so later. Okay, so now we are going to use the time warp. So we have reached our destination. I'm here in Seletar Reservoir. So this is the view looks like. Okay, so now I'm trying again the different setting. I'm trying the 1080p with 60 frames per second. Now we're going to try the 1080p with 60 frames per second. This is the Super View in time warp setting. So this is how it looks like when I'm using the 1080p 60 frames per second in super wide when I run. And this is the 2.7K 60 frames per second in super view when I'm running. Okay, I'm already panting and I'm already sweating. Sorry guys, I know I don't need to compare with this camera because this camera is not an action camera, but I just want to let you see. I just want to compare how is it with GoPro and how is it with Canon G7X Mark II. So I'll run now. Already 7:30 in the evening. It's already getting late, so I must go. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and put your comments down below. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. Thank you and bye bye.